already?
I don't know.
Wherever we're going.
Oh, make a right.
I got a friend somewhere here.
Yeah.
Make a right. Make a right.
I'm guessing
Make a right. Make a right. Make a right. Make a
What
right.
street did your
you
friend
slip on
live?
Broadway, and then the one right after Summer. North.
Make a right.
The one next.
Wait, what?
Right by Salt.
Oh, well, Bellevue should have made it right.
Yeah, that's for sure.
That would be a weird route.
No, it's not.
I'm just going to
Hey, Monica.
Warren.
School with me in Vermont.
Warren to Howell.
Yeah, but
Howell becomes East Lake.
That's the dumbest thing anybody's ever done. You're hired.
You make a right. Make a right. Make a right. Make a right. Make a right at stop sign.
What?
Make a right at stop sign.
Oh, okay.
And then turn right.
Very convenient.
Thank you for driving us. Yeah, of course. We're
Make
going
right,
up here?
yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, don't listen.
And then go all the way to the next stop sign.
Yeah.
And they're going to stop right there. And we'll get
Okay.
Perfect. Right here.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Alright.
Thank you.
Looks icy, so careful getting out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
We love that for everyone.
like party.
17 years. Thank you.
Get up.
You too. Thanks. Which could be all night.
It will be.
Yeah.
That's for fucking sure.
I mean, it'll probably slow down, what, after like 2 or 3
No, I
when
don't
the
think
bars
so.
close? You don't think so?
I think people are just...
It will definitely it will shift. It will shift more to people getting home from like apartment or house parties.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Look at this guy with the gray beard. Or is that his mask? That might be his mask. He's trying real hard to get me. Make room! Make room.
What?
Room. All right.
Wow.
I'm sorry, are you a car?
I'm sorry, what? Make room.
Oh boy.
It's actually pretty entertaining. So
Yeah. I see we're kind of just starting to we're getting started now.
yeah. Make room!
Wait, what?
Yeah. I don't...
You're like that.
Time on Photoshop.
Hey.
It's clip art. I'm telling you.
No, no.
Did something to his ear.
This
All
cat
right, let's hear
is a
him.
beautiful
I
beast.
probably just cut off a little bit too much of it.
What?
It doesn't have
With
a big ass
my
ear.
with my
It doesn't have a big ass ear.
intermediate Photoshop
It
skills.
doesn't make it any less beautiful. It's a beautiful animal.
Her actual ear is fine.
It's a beautiful beast.
Intermediate
Turn your
Photoshop.
fucking phone
I
off.
took a class in high school, goddammit.
I believe you. I believe you. It's well done. It is well done.
This would be so. Elon Musk
turn
is
your phone
coming
off.
for you, baby.
You're a blind smart man.
No. I didn't know my flashlight
Salty
was
Seattle
on.
driver. All right.
I think we should go and look somewhere.
I think you need to subscribe and comment.
Exactly.
You need to subscribe and comment.
My dear boy, listen.
You need to give this man
I'm probably
traffic.
The age of your mother.
You need to
So
you
I
need to play the
apologize.
algorithm.
I feel like
I doubt
I
that.
took a fucking picture of the QR code and it's in my fucking phone. And you better believe,
You're
like at 3 o'clock in the morning, the first thing I'm gonna do, 2022, is look up Salty Seattle Driver.
I posted a
That's
video
you.
today.
And I'm gonna look at his
I believe
video in my bed.
It's all my
The
content.
first thing I do, 2022. Hallelujah.
Also,
Well done.
You're like
Elf
you're
cat.
you're
It's like an
older
elf.
than him.
Yeah.
How old are you?
30.
It is a lot.
You're like 10
There's
years
a lot
older.
of
Okay, can we talk about the?
There's a lot of years.
That
I'm
was all
feel you.
a
But I
little
don't
bit
want
of
to
I'm
discourage
just
the beast.
appreciating that when you go to bed, you're going to be thinking about me.
That's right. That's right. That's
Spend
right.
about
Nothing wrong with that.
spend
There's
about
nothing wrong
5
with that.
minutes thinking about that, and
About
then
5
you
minutes.
can tell us the story.
5.5 minutes. 5.5 minutes.
Probably 3.
Maybe 5.
That's way
5 minutes 45 seconds.
that's way too long
I
for
think
me.
it's like
Hey,
okay,
hey.
2 minutes. Are
2 and a
that
half.
what we're talking about?
2.5.
About give us your time, average.
It ain't nothing but 50
Go ahead.
posts.
It's okay.
Counting
You're
up
not
you got
talking
nothing
to
to
your
do.
mother.
Wait, what are we talking about?
I have no idea.
You can't
The
be
size
my
of
mom.
this cat ears. I think
Tell
is
us
the
the
thing.
story. Keep going straight and tell us the story of the cat.
Watch out for
How
people
the
running
fuck
red
did that
lights
happen?
like that asshole.
Don't run
Fuck
red
that
lights.
Yep.
Please.
Did you see that?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not good.
I'm glad you kept us alive and tell us the story of the cat ear. Thank you. Please. What
I thought I
happened?
already
He
did.
looks like you said.
He just